All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Hitting you up from the road here in Tampa, Florida. Here with for an annual meeting with my team. Only person that's missing is Nick DiGiacomo, one of our students. He's still in Colombia. Thank you. So I'm here chilling with the boys, meeting up, talking obviously strategies for the coming year in terms of the market, doing some trading together. So it's going to be a really nice deal of just hanging out, the guys, and you know, have dinner, hang out, have a couple drinks, hit the casino. I'm down in the casino from last night for a little bit, not too much. Blackjack wasn't nice to me, but it's all good. I still have a couple of chips left. See, a couple of chips, but let's see what's up. We'll have a good time, and something heads up that is that true, Kevin? The masterclass Black Friday is today.
Correct.
It's live today.
Correct.
All right,
Black
Kevin
Friday
is here.
starts today for masterclass.
Right here.
Right here. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Black Friday starts today for masterclass, and then on Monday we'll post the rest of the services.
Yes. So you'll have masterclass Black Friday deal will be posted today on Instagram. All the details will be there. That's number one. Just a couple of housekeeping things, and then on Monday will be the Black Friday deal for the Signal service. So if you're not interested in being taught, we have the Signal service set up too. So just wanted to get that out of the way. So good morning. It is November 19th, 2021 on a Friday. Happy Friday. It's 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My name is Carlos Garcia again, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Welcome to the Morning Note. We do this every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Before we begin, bottom right-hand corner of your screen, little white logo, click on that. Turn on notifications, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment your questions. We did a poll yesterday on Instagram asking what's the next podcast subject. So it was between the headwinds to this market or the kind of like the kind of the resistance or things that the risks, let's say, the risks to the market, or the metaverse, what I was talking about the other day. How kind of what I see coming up with the metaverse and things that might change in regards to the future of economics and I guess our society in a sense. It's gonna be really in depth. So the vote came out to like 53% to like 47 metaverse one. So we'll do the metaverse podcast probably next week. Obviously with Thanksgiving, I'll just do it probably that Friday after, so I could just knock it out, or that weekend since I'll have time to just chill. So either way, that'll be coming soon, guys. Let's talk futures. Dow futures down 204 points. Energy and banks are taking a hit. NASDAQ is up 0.49% at 16,562. E-mini futures were down earlier. We did hit an all-time high on E-mini futures S&P overnight. Austria reported that they will be having some COVID lockdowns and mandating vaccines. So again, that headline definitely came across the tape overnight and hit futures. Russell is down 1%. Again, we know Russell is heavy on financials and energy, and that's why it's down 1%. Crude oil is down 3.23%, 75.88 a barrel. Gas prices, I just had that tweet that came out. I'll go ahead and read it to you. Let me get my mouse. It's tough. I'm not in my computer. I'm from the laptop, so give me a second to get the actual tweet. Shoot. Okay. I have TweetDeck. Gasoline futures are now below the average price of the past 6 months. It's down more than 25% from its October 27 peak. So there you go. Gas prices are going down. That's a good sign for consumers. Not much in terms of news today other than some price upgrades. Pfizer announces FDA approves COVID-19 booster shots to adults. So there we go. Moderna announces FDA authorization of booster dose to COVID-19. Pfizer was price upgraded today. Nick was asking about that. And also Pfizer is Moderna's up. Moderna and Pfizer are up. So there you go. We'll look at pre-market today here in a second. Gold is up 0.17%, 1864 an ounce. Silver 24.90, slightly green. Euro dollar's down 80 pips, 112.92. Dollar yen is down 49 pips, 113.75. Ethereum is green 3.75% at 42.19 on the futures side. Bitcoin is at 57.735. I haven't done anything different than I've done the past months with crypto. I still have been buying crypto, a dollar cost average, a little bit every month, and it's been working out. No issues here. I mean, yeah, we have a little bit of a correction. I'll live with that. 10-year yields 1.526, down 63 basis points, 3.96%. The dollar is up 0.45%. So that's hurting commodities too a little bit. 95.97, and the VIX is at 1855, 5.46% this morning. So let's go ahead and take a look at some pre-market movers together, and then we'll go ahead and answer some questions this morning before we get started. Lucid is down 2.13%. Rivian is up 3.10%. Let me get this for you, a lot easier. On the Dow, Intel's up 0.22%. Chevron Energy Companies down 2.58%. Microsoft's up 0.33%. Boeing's down 1.36%. JP Morgan with yields is down 1.86%. So financials taking a hit. Visa continuing to take a little bit of a slide. I've been buying dips on Visa, down 0.36% this morning. Let's take a look at the S&P here. Ford is down 1%. Carnival is down 3%. American Airlines down 1.75%. Nvidia is an absolute monster. It's up 1.66%. Happy shareholder. Macy's down 1.5%. Dillard's reported earnings, they beat. Micron is up 2.75%. Micron was price upgraded as well. Tesla's up 0.56%. Wedbush is very bullish on Tesla. They are up. If you want to take a look at that note, you can take a look on our Twitter. AT&T is down a quarter point. Occidental Petroleum is down 4.77%. That's with energy. Excuse me. JD.com is up 1.95%. Applied Materials reported earnings yesterday. They're down 4.88%. Apple is down 0.61%. PayPal is up 0.25%. I've been buying dips on PayPal. So there you go. Let me go ahead and move this. I don't need the pre-market stuff anymore. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and answer some questions. Good morning. What are your thoughts on future today? Right now, honestly, we are long. What are we long on futures? We're long ES.
We are long on ES, NASDAQ, and
that's it. We're long NASDAQ futures and we're long ES futures. Again, this was all headline based in terms of the Austria lockdown. Again, we're still with the bullish thesis. Nothing has really changed there. So I'm sticking with that. 46.80 would be probably nice to maybe reload if anything. We'll see on that. MU 1126.80 calls had a big move on earnings. Think this will get in the money. Let's take a look at MU. MU is right here. MU, I'm not a huge fan of trading it, but again, you are up $2 pre-market. If you are in it, Anthony, you should be green this morning. If you're looking to get into the position, I think it may retest $78. If we do, then it may be a possibility. If we revisit 78 and we bounce back, it should be a good level for some Micron 80 calls next week. Remember, next week is a short week, guys. Next Thursday is Thanksgiving Day. Markets are closed. I believe Wednesday the markets closed at 1. So I need to verify that. I'll send a post just to let everyone know. Let's take a look. What's my opinion on PayPal? PayPal, I'm bullish. I've been buying dips on the stock, and my next level down is 183.54. So I've been buying. I do love PayPal long term. So again, I love a good deal. Apple 160 calls. Apple, we hit the 155s, but you can see a little bit, it's off sliding a little bit from 158. I think a retest of 155 on Apple could give us an opportunity there. So I'll wait for 155 to retest. If we bounce off that, 156, then I'd go long. PayPal rebound, yes, I still believe in PayPal rebound, but I would not buy calls. Hey, Carlos, good morning. Thoughts on Apple 160 soon? Apple should hit 160, but not today. Today is OPEX day, so again, expect some volatility. I would expect Apple to retrace back to 155, which is right here. You can see where we tested, came back down. If we retest 155 and bounce to around 156, I would go long the 160s for 2 weeks away. I wouldn't do next week because of the holiday, because you're losing 1 day of trading. Where should we add BABA? I've added BABA. My next level is 130.19. I will add all the way down. I have no problem. I believe in this company. They are insanely profitable. I have no problem. They're not my largest position, but I'm adding. I like it. I like that it keeps going down. Good. I want to buy cheap shares, so I'm with BABA. I have to deep dive on the call. I haven't had a chance to read their conference call, but I believe in the company long term, and so I'm with buying some more at 130. I have no problem with that. I do have some cash on the sidelines waiting for opportunities. I bought Visa, I bought PayPal, I bought Alibaba. I've added, what else did I add? Pen? No, I didn't add Pen.
Roblox.
No, Roblox we did that at the dip at last time, but I don't add stocks when it's up. I add it when it's down. That's how I do it. Let's take a look at Microsoft here. Microsoft we were looking at, that's Nick's baby. Say hello to Nick. Nick is one of our teachers as well. So Nick is on. And he loves some Microsoft. For Microsoft, we could possibly retest 340. I say a break of 344. I'd go with the 350s because there's no retest level there. So I would wait for 344.21, which is your break level here, basically the all-time highs. If that breaks, then I would start taking a look at what 350s.
Yeah.
350s I would look. Amazon breaks all-time highs today. Yes, our students had Amazon. I still have some, so I'm holding that. The 3,800 calls. Yeah, so it could be a huge short squeeze. They were just price upgraded as well. Are you adding DraftKings? Yes. If DraftKings breaks 35.32, I will be adding more today. With Masterclass have a sale on Black Friday. Yes, that will be live today. Masterclass, Jonathan. Yeah, so make sure to hit up Kevin, Kev G.A.R Capital, KEV G.A.R Capital. Just keep in mind there's a lot of fakes out there. If you're not sure and you're worried, just make sure to message G.A.R Capital. Our social media team will verify who these people are. We don't have blue check marks. Stupid Instagram. I know.
usually tell people to just mess with the
No, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. But yeah, they're. Just let us know if you have any questions. We will never ask you for Bitcoin, so don't worry. That's right there is a scam. AMD. Yes, I'm holding AMD calls right now. I hold the 160s, so that's for next week. I'm chilling. When are you adding Palantir? Oh, Palantir, I love it. 21.12. I will be adding more Palantir. Football I added. That was the one I added. I did add more football. If it hits 15, I will add some more. So I did a lot of stock shopping this week. So again, I have extra cash that I've been holding. Again, with all-time highs, it's kind of hard to just buy shares when it's at all-time highs. The only consistent stock I buy every single week without fail is SpyG, and SpyG works for me. But yes, I have bought football. I bought football, I believe, yesterday with Investment Club. That was added to the portfolio. $15. I will go ahead and buy some. The Dixie, let's take a look at the dollar index here. The dollar index just rejected 96. It's at 95.94. Again, that 96 is a big level. Let's see if we break it. Thoughts on Snap? I hate the company and I hate trading the stock. So there's not much going on in the hourly. I would not touch it. The daily does have a gap to fill at 74.38, but we need to start breaking 60 before we can even revisit that. Does Amazon keep running? It looks like it, but again, I would be very careful. I own Amazon shares. I own Amazon calls, the 3,800s for this week. Masterclass got in it. They're doing great because they added. They're savages. But Josh did a great job, and so did the teachers. So congratulations to the guys on Amazon. Why SpyG, not SPY? SpyG, A, is focused on growth companies. That's why. And B, well, in a weird sense, it's cheaper. It's a cheaper per share. Thoughts on 2023 leaps for ATVI? For that, I would not buy leaps. I would just buy shares. So we'll leave it there. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. The Masterclass Black Friday deal will be live here within an hour or two.
Yeah.
So again, any questions? Kev, G.A.R Capital is the person to message. He's head of our Masterclass sales. He'll take good care of you and set you up, and we'll go there. Opinion on cannabis stocks? I'm still long cannabis. Nothing has really changed. And again, I'm not really worried about it. Still the triple Bs, which is betting, blunts, and Bitcoin. Yes, sir.
One last thing about the scammer thing.
Yes.
The way it's a dead giveaway.
Yes. The way it's a dev. Yeah, tell him.
The way it's a dead giveaway is when the guy sends you a link. The link is not harmful or anything. I checked it out. Like, you know how sometimes they can trace your IP, that kind of stuff. I checked it out. It's none of that stuff. It takes you to some artificial trading service, and the guy will try to sell you on, oh, it's a part of GAR. No. Unless it has G.A.R Capital's name on it, it's really not our service, and definitely would verify with us. But the link is for sure a dead giveaway because it takes you to a completely different trading service or whatever it is they're trying to finagle over there.
Yeah, at the end of the day, guys, if you're not sure, let us know. G.A.R Capital. Again, there's no underscore, there's no number one. Regular G.A.R Capital. Message us and say, hey, is this one of your guys? It's very, very important, guys. Again, there's no rush. You could just let us know and say, hey, is this one of your guys? And then we'll make sure you're in the right place. Because a lot of scammers, the last thing I want you guys to do is send some idiot money that you don't even know. And we'll never ask you for money on Instagram. It'll always through our website. Again, you have Stripe and you have PayPal. Again, so your payments are protected. Again, it's through the website, never through IG. Never, ever. So don't worry about that. What's holding Facebook back? Well, the name. Facebook is always having issues. But again, it's Metaverse. Again, a break of 360 will be a very bullish move. But again, there's not much to do here. I own shares. I love Facebook long term or Metaverse. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. Have a great rest of your day. GARCapitalFX.com. Have a great weekend. Go Cowboys. Big game against the Chiefs. We need this win, baby. Should I play the 2.5? Should I put? Should I play the Cowboys? Bet on the Cowboys.
No question.
Spread or straight up? Straight up.
Yeah,
I'll bet
no
on the
questions
Cowboys.
asked.
I'll bet on the Cowboys
Money
this week.
line.
Wish me luck. I'm gonna put $100 in the boys. And if we lose, it's my fault, guys. But just a heads up. Have a great rest of your day. Turn that down, please. GuardCapitalFX.com is the website. Cheers to the weekend, and we'll catch you guys later.
Yeah, I did it. I did a solo.